So finally here I have my brand new helmet, the Axor Apex Streak series, and this helmet is ISI certified, ECE 22.06 approved and DOT certified. So I got the black and red combination, and you get this in this smart looking box with this Axor logo right at front. So let's quickly open up the box and show you the helmet inside. So let's throw away the box, and here we get a very nice cover for the helmet with orange beading and orange ties. Looks very smart. Let's quickly take our helmet out of this bag. So how does this look? Looks super smart, super sporty, super fab, and you have this Axor branded logo right at the front of the helmet. You also get this mini aerodynamic spoiler, and here you have a bigger spoiler. So first of all, you get two air vents right at the top of the helmet. So right here you can just flip the switch open on both the sides to let the air inside. At the back you get an exhaust for the air right here, if you can see that. Then even at the chin you get an opening right here, so you can open and close this switch. So the front visor is a clear one, and you get a switch right here, or should I say a flipping button, so you can just push the visor up using this switch right here. And for the inner smoke visor you have a switch button which you can use to just flip it inside and flip it outside, as simple as that. So let's just try it on and see how well it fits to my particular face, because I have ordered an L size and my head circumference came at about 59 to 60 centimeters. So let's try out the size. So at first instance I feel that this was kind of a very tight fit. It didn't go in directly into my head. I had to kind of squeeze my head through it. Now once it's gone inside, I feel it has fit very snugly. I mean, there's no space for my head to move around it. It's completely covered my head in every way. And that's the kind of way it should be, I guess, for helmets to completely cover off your head. So let me just take it out for now. But for now you can also see that this has got a pin lock setup right here. So you can see you have this separate screen right behind this front clear visor. So that's there, and the helmet looks and feels quite sturdy, quite good, and I'm definitely impressed with the kind of build quality and the kind of color scheme that they have provided. So let's just try and fit this spoiler to the helmet right now. So here it is, the spoiler is now fit onto the helmet and kind of continues the streamlined shape of the helmet and will help you achieve some aerodynamic result because of the flow of the air right on top of this helmet. So in the other box you also get some reflective stickers, you get an Axor sticker, and along with that you also get a blood group indicating sticker, so that in case of any emergency you can stick this onto your helmet and people nearby can identify your particular blood group if it's needed in that particular moment. So you have this mini spoiler also right here, so you can put this on if you need that. So that's it, pretty much these are the things inside the box, and I feel the helmet is very good, very sturdy, smart looking. The graphics are really nice, the fit was very snug. I may have to reconsider the size. The visor looks nice, the front visor and the interior smoke visor, both of them are quite good. You have sufficient area right in front of your mouth, so you can probably put in an intercom or a mic or stuff like that. You have space for earbuds, I mean if you're planning on putting some earphones or stuff like that. And the cushioning, the padding is quite good. It's very soft, not very closed off, and you can see the kind of coverage here at the bottom, completely seals off till your neck. I mean the entire area gets fit in inside, so it might feel a bit cramped, it might feel a bit hot, you should note that. But overall, considering the biking requirements and the kind of speeds which we go on highways and stuff like that, having this kind of an helmet is an essential and a very important health and safety aspect. So if you are looking to get yourself a bike and if you are looking to buy yourself a helmet, you can consider the Apex Streak by Axor. well built, sturdy, coming in at a price of close to 4,000 rupees. Definitely the one to consider. And you do get many colors in this as well, so if you are interested in checking out some colors and some designs for this helmet, you can find the link in the description below. Well, for now I'm going out on a drive using my new helmet in my new Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450, and of course I'll be bringing out many more interesting videos in the future of riding my bike, showing you its review, its mileage, how the helmet fares, and all the related biking stuff right here on Gizmo Beep. Stay tuned.